Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different hairstyles that you can create at your own places without visiting any expensive salons. You can save a lot of money by just trying to create all these hair looks, hairdos at your own place. All you need is some comb, some hair accessories, fancy hairpins and you are done. All these hairstyles are inspired from the classical braids, fish braids and the buns that we create in our day-to-day life. These hairstyles are very simple, very easy. These are best suitable for the long length hair, short length hair, medium length hair, as well as if we'll talk about the difficulty level, then these hairstyles are of different difficulty levels. Some are very easy to create, some are a little bit difficult, some are a little bit time consuming, some can be made so fast. So let's have a look to some of these hairstyles in this video. You can just pause the video if you will get confused at any particular step. However, we have tried to make it as easy as we can so that you don't get confused. Let's have a look for the another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the medium length hair. First you just have to take the two different strands of the hair, then fix them at the proper position using the rubber band and give them the internal twist. Then you just have to take another rubber band and make a lower ponytail. After that you have to make the three divisions out of it. From the left and the right side you have to create the two braids and the middle one is kept as it is. Then with the help of the rubber band you just have to give it an internal twist and fix it at the proper position using the pins. Let's move towards another hairstyle. For this one you just have to first make a lower ponytail. After that you just have to create two divisions out of it. Then you just have to give some of the internal twist and fix it at the proper position in the circular direction. The leftover hair is to be converted into the braid. You just have to loosen your braid that you have made with the help of your hands by pulling some of the strands towards the outward direction and fix it in the proper position as shown here. Let's now move towards another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the medium length hair. First you just have to take some of the hair strands and fix them at the proper position using the rubber band and then give them the internal twist. You just have to repeat it thrice as apparent on your screens. After that the leftover hair is to be divided into the two divisions. You just have to make the two classical braids like I am making. Then you can see how I am making them at the proper position using some of the bobby pins and you are done. This bun looks so cool. Let's move towards another hairdo. We have to take the two different hair strands, fix them at the proper position using the rubber band, then give them the internal twist. Then take some of the hair and see how we are just twisting it, making a braid, loosening the each strand so that it will add up volume and give it a messy hair bun look. After that, fold it at the proper position like do showing here. Let's move towards another hairstyle. For this you may require this hairpin accessory that's somewhat fancy type. This hairstyle is best suitable for the party going girls and you may require this fancy pin. For this one it's just a simple bun but you have made it somewhat beautiful and fancy using this pin. Let's move towards another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the medium length hair. First you just have to tie up the hair using the rubber band. After that your ponytail is ready. You just have to give it the internal twist by fixing it using the rubber band. Then you just have to create a bun out of it. You just have to roll it like shown here. Once your roll is ready, you just have to fix it using some more pins. Thank you.